guys, it's Camper Beast. I just wanted to do a quick little voiceover, let you know where we're headed. I left out of Clearwater about 3:30, 3:45. Finally got out of Hillsborough County, headed north on 75 all the way up. Set the cruise control, didn't stop until I got to Gainesville, and it was a great ride going up. The Triumph Explorer did great. Cruise control was awesome, and ended up going to Lake Park, Georgia instead of Valdosta. Just kind of change of plans, a little bit closer to the campsite. And went great. I got some pictures and links and everything where I stayed, and from there we took the long way up 309 miles up to Pine Mountain, went through the backwoods and a bunch of little country roads and some great footage. So I hope you enjoy it. If you've got any questions, let me know. Thanks. Camper Beast out. See ya.
Hey guys, it's Camper Beast. Well, I made it to Georgia, and as you can see, I just got the tent set up. I'm at Lake Camp, Georgia. It's just simple little RV size, 20 bucks, electric power. The Triumph did great. Holy moly, did the Triumph do good. It really ran awesome. So I went from Clearwater all the way up to I'm just right outside of Valdosta, Georgia. But just set up the tent, just kind of get things settled. And we're gonna maybe get here and get in the tent in a little bit and do a little bit more recording, but very simple. There's my water. I still gotta hook up my electric, my power, get some of my food in there. But right now I gotta go get bug spray and beer. So Camper Beast, I'll talk to you. I'll be back in a sec. See you. Well guys, I have to be kind of quiet. It's still pretty early and a lot of people are still asleep, but as you can see, I'm packing up my little campsite here. Slept really good. No problem, especially after about 3 or 4 beers. I did really good. But as you can see, I'm kind of just now got out of the shower, drying my towel, getting ready to head out of here. Well, good morning guys, it's Camper Beast, and as you can see, I finally got this thing packed up, and we're ready to head out of here. It was a good, halfway decent, pretty good night's sleep. This is the campground. It's a little bit, the tent sites are all along the back, over there, and then all the RVs are out there. All the wannabe campers are out there. I think they call that glamping, glamorous camping, whatever, but whatever floats your boat. But there's what floats my boat. But I did get it back up to some nice woods over here. It's kind of cool. Nice and peaceful. But I'm packed up, ready to go. I'm going to go grab some damn coffee because I need coffee. I got to have coffee. I'm going to go ahead and mount up the cameras, and we're going to head out. And I think I'm going to head towards Pine Mountain. So I'm going to go grab some coffee, study some GPS, and see what we can come up with. So, Camper Beast out. See you in a little bit. It is a beautiful morning, and we are heading out of the campsite. And I'm going the wrong way because they got the road blocked right there. Okay. No, cool little cabins. Nice. There it is, Lake Park. I'm sorry, Lake Park Campground, and it's in Lake Park, Georgia. Great place, 20 bucks. Can't beat it. Hot shower. All's good. We're ready to go. And oh, look at them golden arches. I'd love to have some Dunkin' Donuts, but I'll settle for some golden arches. Some coffee sounds really good. Really nice.
Coming in 354. I've already ran Pine Mountain a little ways, and I'm actually heading towards Roosevelt State Park. That's where I'm camping for the night. And this is where I'm coming off of 354, making a left and zigzagging, going up the side of Pine Mountain. And it's beautiful through here. Some great footage. And you'll see as I get into the old house that's up on top, I'll be putting a lot of pictures. But just want to kind of give you a little info of where we're at and where we're headed. Camper Beast out. See you.
Hey guys, it's Camper Beast. Well, I made it. I'm at the top of Pine Mountain, as you can see. And make sure that's clean. Oh, sorry about that. It's freaking beautiful here. I'm at the main, just got my little campsite. There's the main little house right there. We go in. It is just gorgeous. Look, you can see all the way, that's Pine Mountain, all the way down through there and around. Pretty freaking cool. Well, I hope you guys are having a great day. And a whole bunch more pictures to come. Camper Beast out. See ya. Wow, this is beautiful. Holy moly. How cool is that? Little lake up on the top of the mountain ridge. That's pretty sweet. Oh, got him a fish. Oh, look at him. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it. You feel I don't want to touch it. Nice. Well, looks like this is going to be it.
guys, on this part I have to do a quick voiceover. From here on out, I had to pretty much pack up the tent because some really bad weather was rolling in that was coming across Georgia, and I decided to chicken out and head back to Florida. So from here on out, I pack up the tent and another 456 miles and head home. So a few more pictures, a little bit more video, and then I'm going to wrap it up. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Camper Beast out. See you.
A couple guys in first class on a flight from New York to Los Angeles, kind of making small talk, killing time, flirting with the flight.